Hello guys, my name is Coding Vampire. So we were discussing few selective statement, that is if-else statement. So let us do some more program to have a better understanding of it. So the next question is, write a program to accept two integer and display the largest integer. Okay, so let me explain you what we have to do in this program. First we'll accept two numbers from the user and we have to find which number is larger and display the largest number. So what I want you to do, write the program by yourself. If you can't do the program by yourself, then see the solution. So the first step, let me write a multi-line command this time. Largest of two number. Now we have to close the multi-line command. Now I'll include two header file, iostream.h and conio.h. Then we'll write void main. So void main, the main is known as the driver function. Just remember that. What I want you to do, write a multi-line comment, rules for naming identifiers. Then we'll open the body of the main program, clear screen. Then I'll declare two variable a comma b, since we have to find the largest of two number and they are of the data type integer. Now cout enter two numbers, less than end L followed by a semicolon. As you know, end L is equivalent to /n. Now cin is b. So what happened? The compiler create two memory location. Name of the first location is A, the name of the second is B. They are of the data type integer. Now I'll write if statement. If A is greater than B, then open the body of the if, cout A is largest, close the string, less than A, and display the value of A. Now close the main body of if. Then I'll write else if B is greater than A, cout B is largest, then display the value of B. Now close the body of else if. Now what will happen if A and B are equal? So we'll not enter the value of A and B as same. So now close the program. Now compile it and I'll run the program. For example, the first number is 56 and the second number is 100. So B is largest and displaying 100. So what is happening? I entered the value of A. In A it was stored 56, in B it was stored 100. So after taking the value of A and B from the user, it will come here if A is greater than B. Since 56 is not greater than 100, it will discard this if statement and it will come to the next else if statement. Since B is greater than A, that is 100 is greater than 56, so it will come inside the body of the else if and display cout B is largest, and whatever there is in the memory location B, it will display here. So now we'll do the next program. Example 3. Write a program to accept mark of student and print whether the student has passed the exam or not. Minimum marks for passing is 50 out of 100. So okay, what so we'll include two header file, hash include io stream.h, hash include conio.h. Then we'll write void main, open the main body of the program, clear screen. Now I'll create a memory location int mark, then I'll write cout, enter the mark obtained, /n, close the string followed by a semicolon, seen greater than mark. Now so in this program we have to accept mark, and if the student got above 50, then he's above 50 or equal to 50, then he has passed the exam, else he has failed in the exam. So we'll write if mark is greater than or equal to 50, then I'll open the body of the if cout passed followed by a semicolon. Now close the body of if. Now I'll write else cout fail. Wait, let me open the body of else cout fail. Now I'll close the body of else, get ch. Now close the main program. So instead of writing else if, I have wrote else, because there are either two possibility, passed or failed. So if the student is not passed, obviously the student has failed the exam, so it is not necessary for me to write the condition. So when you are not writing the condition, so you have to use else, but if you are writing a condition, you must write else if. Now I'll run this program, enter the marks, for example 67 passed. Again I'll execute, for example 45 failed. So now it is obvious, if mark is greater than 50, so in the first case 67 was greater than 50, so it came inside the body of the if and displayed passed. But in the second case 45 was less than 50, so it discarded this if statement, and then automatically the else statement was executed, and then getch was encountered, which means that you should not exit the output screen until and unless the user press any key. So I'm wrapping up this video. As always, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.